Hey, what is up? This is Tyler Pratt. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about affiliate marketing, dropshipping, Shopify, you name it. I'm going to talk about them all. Network marketing, you name it, okay? And we're going to figure out what is going to be the best for you to promote online. Because right now, you're probably going crazy trying to figure out what you're going to be doing, and you just don't know what angle, what avenue to go on to. I'm going to help you pick the one. I'm going to help you succeed and help you move forward. Now, before we do that, I want to make sure that you hit that subscribe button, hit that bell option, that way you get notified of all of the videos that I come out with on a daily basis for you. So maybe you've been online for a long time, maybe you just got started, maybe you're just now seeing the video for the first time. All my videos are about creating that total boss lifestyle for you, creating the freedom in your life, being able to do what you want, being able to succeed and have fun. So when you come online and you look at affiliate marketing, you see drop shipping, you see Amazon FBA, you see network marketing, you see all kinds of different opportunities that are being thrown at you. There's a Bitcoin craze going right now, okay? You got to get Bitcoin. I mean, there's all these things that are out there, all right? And when people come to me and they say, Tyler, what should I do? What should I get involved in? What's the avenue? I mean, I want to try this, I want to try that. And the one question I ask them is, why are you even getting into it? Why are you even wanting to get into any of these? Why are you doing Amazon? Why are you going to be Shopify? Why are you going to be doing drop shipping? Why are you going to get into affiliate marketing? Sometimes they don't really know, but I'm going to tell you right now, the reason why you want to get into any of these is because you want to have freedom. You don't want to be stuck in some job. You want to be able to go travel, do what you want, be with your friends, be with your family at any time. You want to be able to play golf on a Monday morning or a Tuesday morning with your friends, if you have any friends that don't have a job, okay? So the point is that anything you get involved in, all you want is freedom. All you want is the ability to do what you want. And so when somebody comes to me and they say, I want to go this, I want to go that, and I look at all of them, I'm going to tell you right now that all of those, Amazon, Shopify, affiliate marketing, network marketing, they all work, okay? There's not one thing that doesn't work. They all work. I mean, there's people making tons of money with Amazon FBA. There's people making just absolutely crazy amounts of money with Shopify. There's people making crazy amounts of money with affiliate marketing. There's people making crazy amounts of money with network marketing. Okay, they all work. So here's the thing, though, that's going to really separate you. It's going to help you move forward. Is that anything you go into, doesn't matter what you do. Okay, and I encourage you to pick one. I like affiliate marketing. I really like affiliate marketing because it gives me instant cash. It gives me the ability to reinvest that cash. It gives me a little more time freedom. I've tried just about all of them, and I've always just stuck with affiliate marketing because for me it's just the easiest and that's what I enjoy to do. But all of them work. Okay, all of them. I've made money in drop shipping. I've made money with Amazon FBA. I've made money in network marketing. I've made money in all of these. Bitcoin. I was buying Bitcoin when it was $5. Now it's like $6,000 or close to $6,000. That was my first Bitcoin. I was buying it at $5 and I just hold on to them. Okay. So I've made money in all of these, but the thing is this, like I see a lot of people, they bought Bitcoin and then they sold it. Right. So now what they're doing, they don't have any money. They spent all the money. They didn't hold on to it. Or somebody gets an Amazon FBA and they try it out for a few months and they lose all their product. Nobody's buying their product and now they have to liquidate the product, or they could send it back, and they've spent all this money, nothing's not working. They buy a Shopify store and they try to run some traffic to it, nobody's buying their products, so it doesn't really work. Somebody tries affiliate marketing, you get on affiliate marketing and you run a bunch of traffic to your link and nobody's buying your affiliate link. So what do? Well, most of the people, they just quit, they just stop what they're doing, and then they go find something else. Okay, going and find something else is not going to be the answer for you. The only answer that you have is you have to continue to do what you're going to do. If you're going to go into Amazon FBA, you got to stick it out 6 months, a year. Is it going to be worth it? Yeah, but during that time, you get to figure things out. You got to figure out what product's going to work, what's not going to work. If you get into affiliate marketing, you got to figure out where the good traffic sources are, what affiliate link is going to work best for you. Now, all of them are going to work, but all of them aren't going to work maybe best for you. Okay, so the thing is when you're, I gotta fix my screen here. There we go. So when you're coming online, you're looking for things to do. Just take one of them and just stick with it, okay? And just stick with it and run with it and keep going and keep going and keep going. Watch these videos, watch more videos, but don't stop and then go do something else. Shift your whole thing. Because what you have to do is you have to start from scratch again. There's no easy road to making success, okay? All of these work. All of these things that I talk about are gonna work for you. But you can't do all of them, all right? Don't try to do Shopify and affiliate marketing and Amazon and all of them. You have to find one, start making a bunch of cash with that one, and then maybe you can go and try another one. But a lot of people, they're doing Amazon, they're trying to do Shopify, they're trying to do affiliate marketing here, and they're never really getting ahead, they're never really getting forward, they're never really going anywhere. And I want you to succeed, so I wanna make sure that you're on the right path. So when you're starting something, you set a commitment, and you set, maybe you start off with 90 days. You say 90 days, I'm gonna work this business until I figure it out. And then maybe after the 90 days, you haven't made anything, like you've made nothing. But what you've gained after that 90 days is you're better knowledgeable about it. You understand how that business works, okay? Maybe understand how the business works a little bit better. And when you're coming online and you're seeing videos of people that are having great success, you're not seeing all the years that they've really struggled. You're not seeing all the times that they've failed, in the business. I mean, I see people that come online and they're talking about affiliate marketing, but I've seen people where they're really crushing it now, but I've seen them struggle for many years. I've seen them before where they're trying to figure things out, they're asking questions, but then all of a sudden it starts to click. This thing works, this thing works. You start getting these little wins and they start adding up. And they start adding up to bigger wins, bigger wins. Now things are really working for you. But you gotta stick with it. You gotta stick with it over and over and over again. There's gonna be days where nothing's working for you. Okay, there's gonna be days when you're gonna feel like this is stupid. Why am I doing this? Let me go try Shopify. Let me try the Shopify for a while. A few months into that, oh, that's not working. Let me go back to affiliate marketing. Let me try that for a little bit. Or affiliate marketing's not working. Let me go try Amazon FBA. I mean, you're bouncing all over the place. Stick with one. Stick with one way of doing it. For me, affiliate marketing for me was really good because I like it. It's easy. I don't have to do a whole lot of other stuff to it. I felt like, with Shopify, there was a lot of finding the right products, and there was a lot of mental stuff to it. I don't like a lot of mental stuff. I want to be able to just promote something and put it in front of the right traffic. Finding the right traffic is really easy because it's all over the place. You got Facebook ads, you got Google, you got solo ads, all of these different traffic sources that you can put affiliate marketing offers into. Now, I'm not saying that Shopify doesn't work. I mean, because people, they're crushing it. But you have to have like a mental, you have to have kind of the mental, the mental mindset for certain things, okay? But you got to stick it out long enough. Like for some of the things I tried, and then a few months later, I made a few dollars, but I decided it's just too much work for me and I don't want to continue with it, okay? Now, there are other things that I've tried where I absolutely bombed, just completely bombed. For a long time, network marketing, I bombed crazy from that. I was, before the internet was going crazy, network marketing was really the only way you could get in at a very low cost and try to build a business, okay? So I bombed at that for many years, but I never really gave up on it, I never quit on it. And then I started to finally see some success with some businesses, okay? But now I'm strictly affiliate marketing. I like high ticket affiliate marketing, programs. That's what I like. They're very easy, very simple, okay? So all of the things that we're talking about, they all work, but they're only gonna work if you stick it out. If you stick it out for 90 days, 6 months, a year. So what I do is, what I'm telling you, what you should probably do is 90 days, check out, see where you're at. After 6 months, see where you're at, and after a year, see where you're at. If you busted your tail for a year, if every day you've shown up and you've tried something new, and you tried this and that for one of those programs, and after a year you haven't succeeded, you might have a great story to maybe go on to something else, okay? But I guarantee if you show up every day and you promote something or you work on something, if you show up every day to Amazon FBA for a year, you will be successful. It just happens. It just naturally will happen, okay? The universe will just say, I give up, you've stuck it out, now here is the riches, okay? So there you go. I hope you like that. If you like that, click on the like button. Also share it with your friends. Comment below. Let me know how I can help your business. This is Tyler Pratt. Hope you enjoyed that, and we will see you on the next one.